me.
She's so cute.
We get a new puppy. What is it? What is it? Show me. Show me the puppy.
Look, she has new clothes.
Oh, she's showing me her cute clothes. I want to see the puppy. Tell me about her.
Look, this
She's
is
so cute,
Cassie.
and she didn't even bark all day. Which is
She's really
good.
quiet and
I hope
she's really
like that
calm.
all the time.
And she's been sleeping a lot.
Yeah, she
It's
just
really
sleeps
cute.
and
It's really cute. She cuddles
pads
with you.
around.
Like
She,
when
like,
you lay
lays
down
down
with her,
with you and
she's just like,
it's so
I love
nice.
you. I love you. She's a really good cuddling dog.
Does she have plenty of water and she like
Yeah.
a nibble?
She-
Missy
She
ate her
hasn't pooped all day though.
Missy ate her kibble.
Oops, Missy will like it. She'll like
Yeah.
it more than her food. Cute clothes.
They have pockets.
The bucket.
I don't think they would mind because she doesn't really.
Oh, she's so cute.
She doesn't bark.
Smile.
Mom, she doesn't bark. Mom, she
She's so
doesn't
cute.
bark.
She licks a lot too.
Hey you. Where are you going? Huh? Cassie. Hey. You. She's like trying to pull it away from her by turning towards her. Get it, Cass. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Cassie. Get it. Get it. Right here. Right here. Cassie, get it. Get it, Cassie. Get it. Okay.
I'm wearing shorts.